Never seen one of these. First time.
He actually designed it.
He designed it?
He designed it and built it.
Oh, beautiful.
I didn't really design it. I stole some ideas from others, but...
Well, it's a combination of a few of them. Yeah, originally it was built for a Kawasaki.
Well,
Loading the Harley is a little different. But the truck's a 2000, right? So, I mean...
Yeah, it'll work.
There. We're just going to drive the truck over.
We have a website, patsystravels.com, and the 26 states we've been in, all the pictures and everything. There's over 14,000 pictures and 900 videos. And this will be up there.
That's better. That's better.
What's the website?
Patsy's Travels. I'll write it down for you. Okay. My wife's name is Patsy. Everything we're saying is being recorded on this video here.
Oh, well.
The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plane.
The only thing I don't like is this bike doesn't really fit this thing well. It's Harley and their better ideas. They make it only monoshock, one shock.
Oh.
And the whole bike, when it goes up and sits in there, it takes an attitude to fall over.
Yes, sir.
It's not like the older ones where they're twin shocks or airs for twin shocks.
Yeah, that's odd.
So, yeah.
Monoshock. See that truck come down. Excuse me. That's amazing.
Yeah. That is tied down.
I see what I think are two shock absorbers, one here and one there.
Yeah.
You're saying there's only one, a monoshock.
Yeah, for some reason when they built this bike, they only put one in. They got a spring on one side.
Oh.
And a shock and spring on the other.
Oh,
and
that's what.
Don't get it.
I understand.
You know, and that's why they call it monoshock.
Oh.
But it's like everything else. Let's cut a buck. Let's cut a.
I got to ask. One of our neighbors, I told you, he's a test pilot, I guess you call him, for Harley.
Yeah.
Last 6 years.
Yeah.
I got his cell phone. I got to text him and ask why.
So,
All right, that's it for this one. It's November 14, 2018. It is 9:21 a.m. Cal-Nev-Ari, Nevada, and we're staying at the RV Park Market. This is Site 17. These people are from Canada. And that's it.